Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. We are
Waalaikumsalam.
team from Skara Bin Packing Robot wanna presenting about our project with title Skara Robot with 5-bar linkage mechanism. In this project, we have 6 members and 1 project manager. And our project manager is Mr. Eko Rudiawan Jamzuri, SST MSc. And the first we have Wahyu Hidayat Saputra, Axel Arkindo, M. Rafli Adista Perangin-Angin, myself, Pandu Haryandika Pratama, Ardianivo Quaresma, and Said Muhammad Ridho. Okay, I will explain about SCARA robot with 5-bar linkage mechanism first. SCARA robot with 5-bar linkage mechanism is a robot system that combines the superior characteristic of SCARA. SCARA robot and 5-bar linkage mechanism. These robots are used for various industrial tasks such as assembly and pick and place. The robot structure consists of a 5-bar linkage with low translational and precise movement in the horizontal and plane. In the mechanical, the concept of SCARA robot with 5-bar linkage mechanism is to assemble and pick and place something. Use 3 stepper NEMA 23 and stepper NEMA 34 to do movement X, Y, and Z. Use aluminum profile 3030 and 2020 as a 5-bar linkage and pillar. Use aluminum profile T as a base. And last, use lead screw as a linear motion.
Okay. This is the physical form of our robot. So, this robot has a rigid arm structure, allowing them to precision. Next. So, previously for this mechanical design, we made part that have been designed is this figure. They are as connector, this Starlink, subcoupler, stepper connector, aluminum profile, and angle breaker. Next, this is the part that was repaired. So, the part was repaired and turned onto a 3 millimeter, sorry, 3 millimeter aluminum plate. Next, the process of cutting part using laser cutting method. Now for the next, I have a plan to change the design of this robot. I will show it the end of the slide. Next,
Okay, this is a persistent. Its length is 500 millimeters, weight 500 millimeters, height 631 millimeter, and use aluminum profile measuring 30 millimeter x 30 millimeter. There is a PLC TM241CA4R, micro step driver, push button, NO, NNC, and indicator lights. Next. This is assembly of part persistent. Next.
Okay, this is the wiring diagram from the PLC to 3 stepper motor. On the left, we have two NEMA 23 stepper motor connected to TB6600 drivers. And on the right, we see a Langer NEMA 34 motor connected to a ABS57 driver, which work the same way but support higher power and may use encoder feedback. Next. We use 3-stepper motor, one NEMA 34 and two NEMA 23. And then we use two TB6600 motor drivers and one HBH 57 motor drivers, and then PLC Schneider TM241CA40R series as microcontroller and 6 push button for limit switch and 3 LED lights. And then for stepper motor, NEMA 23 it's controlled by motor driver 6600 and stepper motor NEMA 34 is controlled by motor driver ABS 57 and all components are colored by PC. Next.
Okay, so this is a schema wiring diagram. Let's see on the left side we see two driver up and down movement, and another left and right. Each driver is connected to its own stepper motor, which you can see right below them. And the driver get their power from 24-volt DC power supply, which is shown at the top center. We also added resistor around 2K ohm to ensure signal stability between the PLC and the drivers. The moving the PLC side, the output from the PLC, like key 4, key 5, and key 6, are wired to the push and direction terminal on the stepper drivers. This output tell the motor when to move, direction to go, and the trigger NTR to reset line are also connected to control motor behavior more precisely. And in input on the right side, we've got several push button PB1 to PB4. This button is act as manually control. So for example, the pressing PB1 make the motor go up, PB2 fall down, and so on. These are wired to into input terminal of the PLC. Next. And this is all wiring schematic diagram. The PLC signal to the motor driver to the key 0 to key 3 for output, and each motor M1 and M2, M3 is connected to on driver. Okay, so overall this wiring diagram is so complete system where the PLC act as the brain, the driver act as translator, and the motor do the actual movement. The button and sensor help us interact with the system and keep things running safely. Okay, next. So this is how the component are placed. Okay, next.
Okay, this is next plan 20205. This is one first there is the change in the mechanism of the SCARA 5-bar linkage to parallel mechanism. And the second, PLC trainer stand update and the addition of the gripper. Next. This is a new part for ARM robot This the part is 5 millimeter, and the length to 50 millimeter. This is part stepper to the new part of the robot. The next, this is adios of the cover to persistent. This is the top and the right side and the left side. This is back side and the screw hole. Okay.
Okay, I think this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.